In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a chat in Microsoft Teams. Now, whether you're looking to tidy up your chat history or need to remove a particular message, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's dive right in and make sure you can manage your Teams chat with ease. First things first, we need to focus on how to delete your own messages in Microsoft Teams. To start, navigate to the Chat tab. This is where you'll find all your conversations neatly listed. Once you're there, find the specific message that you want to delete. Hover over this message with your cursor, and you should see some options appear. Look for the More Options menu, which usually presents as three dots or ellipses. It's a small but essential click. Once you click on More Options, the next step is straightforward. Select Delete. This action will remove the message from everyone's view, replacing it with the notification, "This message was deleted." So, be sure that this is indeed the action you want to take, given its finality for collective visibility. While deleting messages is one way to manage your chat, there's another handy feature you might find useful: hiding a chat. This feature can help declutter your chat list without permanently deleting the entire conversation. If you're interested in this, follow these steps. Return to the list of your conversations in the Chat tab. Then simply hover over the specific chat thread you wish to hide. Once again, use the More Options menu. This time you'll select Hide. It's like giving your chat history a clean, minimalist refresh. Do note, though, that hiding a chat doesn't delete it. The conversation is still accessible, and should anyone send a new message in the hidden chat, it will promptly reappear in your list. This ability to hide and toggle visibility is excellent for maintaining privacy or focusing only on the conversations that matter most at a given time. Another important thing to remember is that hidden chats will pop back into view if someone sends a new message, so you won't miss any essential updates or communications. And that wraps up our easy guide on managing and deleting chats in Microsoft Teams. Deleting and hiding chats are simple yet powerful features that can help you keep your workspace